So I'm part of a forum place called Connecticut Motorcycle Rides and Events, and this diesel station is abandoned. It's in Brooklyn, Connecticut, and it's just at the intersection of 169 and Route 6. It is a photo op destination right now, specifically for the people that are on the forum, and I just needed to get out for a ride. Went and grabbed a sandwich at the Vanilla Bean Cafe, which was very good. Hope everyone is having a great summer, even though it's stupid hot and ridiculously humid. Yeah, rock on.